Hey everybody, this is Jacob with Nexus. I am here at 44 Bennett Street, Unit 1R, located in Woonsocket, Rhode Island. This is a first floor, renovated, updated 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom unit. And we're going to begin our walkthrough right in the kitchen area that you have. So the kitchen area houses your rear entryway to the unit. On top of that, as you can see, beautiful new laminate wood flooring throughout the entire unit in each and every room. It looks great. The kitchen area houses brand new cabinets all throughout, a gorgeous new granite countertop, and a beautiful new tile backsplash along the wall. Lots of outlets for additional kitchen plugins, as you can see. On top of that, you also have the new single bin stainless steel sink. Very nice. And as we walk through the entire unit, you'll notice the fresh coat of paint. It looks awesome. And like I said before, in this kitchen area, you have the rear entryway to your unit, but it also houses the bathroom, 2 of the bedrooms, and leads to the living space. The other appliances in this kitchen area, of course, include the medium-sized refrigerator, and you also have the 4-burner stove and oven. Cool. So next, let's check out the living space that you have. So the living space is right through here. Again, gorgeous new flooring, new fresh paint, wide open windows, lots of bright sunshine and good street views. You got the ceiling fan in here. And the living area houses the front entryway to your unit. Good amount of outlets in here for an entertainment system, TV, what have you. And you could use this in a multitude of ways, maybe as a dining room as well. If you use it as a dining room, it's got plenty of space for a small to medium-sized dining set. But that is your living space in here. Before we check out the bedrooms, let's check out the bathroom next. So the bathroom entryway is right next to the refrigerator. You come on in, and again, new flooring, fresh paint. You've got a full tub and shower hooked up, ready to go, all the way at the end. It's a pretty spacious bathroom too. You got a lot of room in here. And you got this brand new sink set up right in the corner, along with the large mirror up above. I should also note that the unit has a lot of new light fixtures as well. So that's also a nice touch. But yeah, that's your bathroom space. Okay, last but not least are the 3 bedrooms. So we'll start from left to right. So this is the leftmost bedroom. So this first bedroom that we're looking at and the second bedroom are basically identical. Size, features, both house 1 closet space, fresh paint, new flooring, new light fixtures, and recommended bed size for both of these bedrooms. I'd probably stick with a standard to full size bed set. Right around the corner is the closet space. So that is your first bedroom that we're looking at. Next up is the middle bedroom. Again, new flooring, fresh paint, new light fixtures. Standard full bed sets are best. And of course, again, the closet space. I should also mention that the unit does house, you can already see, a baseboard gas heat system. All one zone. Okay, last but not least is the third bedroom. This is the bedroom housed in the living space. It's probably the smallest of the 3 bedrooms, but it still obviously is functional. Standard full bed set, fresh paint, new floors. And this bedroom actually has 2 closet spaces instead of just 1, which is nice. As you can see right in the corner over here. And I could end up seeing this bedroom maybe used as an office space or a work area, what have you. But this is just your 3rd bedroom, set up and ready to go. So once again, this is 44 Bennett Street, Unit 1R in Woonsocket, Rhode Island. Before I go, I'd like to remind everybody, as always, to please subscribe to the Nexus Property Management YouTube channel so you can keep up to date with all of the listings that we have available on our site. And of course, any news related to real estate and property management will be located there as well. Thank you very much.